Hi, today I have a very cool lock for you guys. It's this Pacific lock, PACLOCK. This one was sent to me by Starlock. Thank you very much for sending it to me. It's a laminated padlock, and on this side it's Pacific lock 100G, and there is a number 06831. I don't know if this is for the key, but here's the key. Very cool looking keys. M15 PACLOCK, and on this side the same 06831. Probably it's a bidding, but if you're using it, just remove that. So here's the key. Okay, bidding, short, long, short, and 4 and 5 somewhere in the middle. And it's that core, so no spring on the core, and you can see here Pacific lock. It's a ball bearing, so it cannot be shimmed. It's a pretty nice lock, pretty interesting one, and I think US made. On this side you can see it US. And here's the box. It was with the box, so that's awesome. And it's PACLOCK on this side, printed in the USA, manufactured in part by disabled and disadvantaged workers employed by a small family business, Los Angeles. That's good. Thank you for your support. And it's interesting lock, and I will use the pick from Trackmaster 30. It's a deforced diamond, and there are security pins in this lock. I will try to adjust the tension tool not to hit this this part. So yeah, let's start. I'll try to adjust a bit. So 1 nothing, 2 it's binding, no, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 it's binding. Click from 5, 4, 3 now it's binding. Going back, now 1 is binding, I think. Click from, no, the 1 is springy. 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4, 5. Everything seems springy, so I release attention. Probably I overset something, so that's good. I hope tolerances are pretty good. I think they're better than usual lock. So click from 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4 and 5. I think this deformed diamond is a bit bigger than, but yeah, the color of the pick handle and somehow going with this lock, so that's why I grab it and just wanted to pick it with this one. So I touch pin number 5 and we're open. So it's, I felt a couple of I think spools. I felt a couple of spools, and can we go back? And I think maybe serrated, but I can say possibly, probably all spools, or some of them are spools. So yeah, interesting pick, interesting lock. That was Pacific lock. There is model number. I think it's this 100G. Picked. So guys, it's a really interesting lock, really interesting pick. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice picking, and bye bye.